Hello there. Welcome to Talking Safety, a YouTube channel where we discuss all issues concerning occupational safety and health. And in this video, I'll be sharing another common pitfall or another common mistake that the students of the NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Safety and Health, IGC, NEBOSH IGC, do make. So watch this video until the end so that you do not miss this key mistake, so that you avoid making it when you write your IG2 report. If you like this kind of content, or if you like these topics that I've described, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. All right, as usual, I always begin from the NEBOSH guidance document because it's the guiding document from NEBOSH that describes what is required. So right now I'll go straight to the page where the common mistake is occurs from. Okay. So if we go down to this page, which talks about the risk assessment. Okay. You must use the table in part 2 of the risk assessment to complete the risk assessment, okay, of the assessment pack to complete the risk assessment. Okay, then it says you will now need to complete the risk assessment of your organization. You must find and record at least 10 different hazards that are taken from at least 5 different hazard categories. For avoidance of doubt, the hazard categories for this assessment are the topic headings of elements 5 to 11 of the IG syllabus as shown in table 1. So that is what it looks like. Okay. So these are the hazard categories from which you pick the minimum 10 that is being requested. So the area where people make common mistake is in using the electronic submission form, okay, which is this Word document which you receive from the NEBOSH website or from your learning partner, okay. So when we come down here to part 2, okay, so the common mistake that I would like you to focus on avoiding, okay, is in this column 1, okay, in this column 1 where they are saying hazard category and hazard. What the examiner would want to see in this entire column, okay, are two pieces of information. One is the hazard category and two is the description of the hazard, okay? And this what they mean here is what unsafe act or what unsafe condition did you see, okay, that counts as a hazard, okay? Then obviously you describe, then obviously you declare the hazard category. The hazard category, you're picking the ones that NEBOSH gave you. So the common mistake, the purpose of this video is that some of the students, they forget to mention the hazard category, or they forget to describe the hazard that they saw. They forget to describe what they saw. So you find that one of the two pieces of information is missing. Okay, let me show you what I mean using this presentation from my NEBOSH IG2 masterclass. Okay, so for example, you are doing your workplace risk assessment for your NEBOSH IG2. Then you find this kind of scenario as you're doing your work. Now, the student in this case, they'll probably just say, they'll just write there, work at height. So work at height is good, that's the hazard category, but then they fail to describe what they saw that counts as work at height. So in this case, it could be something like this. You write hazard category, you write work at height. Hazard description, you describe what you are seeing in the picture, which counts as the work at height hazard. So this is the mistake that you need to focus on avoiding when you write your IG2 report. So when your work is very well done and written out, you should have something that looks like this. You see clearly hazard category, work at height. Then you describe what you saw, which counts as work at height. And then you go on to the next hazard category, vibration. Then the description, you give the description. So this is how you would write your work carefully while avoiding the mistake that I'm describing. If you like this content and the way it is being presented, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel. As I've already mentioned, as I've hinted, I do have a masterclass called the IG2 masterclass. Through this course, which is online, you are able to get all of the nitty-gritty that is required to ensure that you do not misfire, to ensure that you pass your NEBOSH IG2 or NG2 on your first attempt, to ensure that you do not you're not asked by NEBOSH to redo. If you're interested in doing this course, the link is in the description. Subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.